Sir, exercise 1, second one.
Textbook exercise page number 5. First one is choose the correct option.
Sir, we have to write.
No, no, no. I will say. You
So
can write
page number.
page number 5. Exercise. Can't you find exercise in chapter? First chapter.
Page number 5.
Page number 5. Exercise. Unit 1. First question is choose the correct option. Again repeat. Don't disturb. If you want to read, write in comments only. Don't
Okay,
say
sir.
my turn hasn't come or I read. Question 1. Rishita Kamkar or Karakar, whatever the surname is.
Yes, sir.
Read the question with
Sir,
answer.
with questions are answers also?
If you know, tell answer. Otherwise, I will present.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Choose the correct alternative and write correct answer. Number 1. In ancient time, man used to write on which thing? A. Cloth. B. Paper. C. Inner bark of tree. D. Leather. Answer C. Inner bark of tree.
Very good, correct answer. The question
Thank
is
you, sir.
in what things or in which things man used to write during ancient time? Answer is inner bark tree. Correct answer. Next question we will read. Write in comments only.
Read.
Machar Yasvi. Again repeat, no
Yes,
one will.
sir.
Machar Yasvi read.
Okay, sir. Number 2. Which of the following is not source to non-history? A. A recorder. B. Copper plate. C. Birch bark. And D. Vehicle. A recorder.
No, beta. Records from records we can get the information about history. Copper plate we also study. In past, kings write on copper plates. Beech bark and Bhojpatra. So remaining is vehicle. Correct answer is vehicle. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Third question is there on your
Sir, I.
screen.
I, sir.
Again repeat, don't speak I. Write only in comment. Usdariya Nandini.
Yes, sir.
Read
Third one,
beta.
no, sir. Third,
The third.
which of the following writings last longer? A. Record. B. Writing on paper. C. Writings on cloths. D. Writing on leaves of trees.
Yes, which one is correct?
Writing on paper.
No,
No, sir.
paper can be
Record.
destroyed easily. Records that can be carved on metal or stone. This can be lived long last or longer time. Very good. Now, next question is question 2. Answer
Sorry,
the
sir.
following question. Answer the following question. First question is explain the meaning of BC. In your textbook, you can see things to know. People are happy.
Yes, sir. Question 2. Answer the following question in short. Explain the meaning of BC. BC means before Christians,
Christ.
Christ, the idea to count years from the birth of Jesus Christ. 2. Explain the meaning of AD. Sir, AD stands for Anno Domini, which means in the year of God.
Very good. Answer the following question. That is the second question of your textbook. Here, first one, sub question, first one. First and second describe the meaning of BC and AD. Explain the meaning of BC. BC means before Christ. It is the idea to count the year from the birth of Jesus Christ. Most of the countries of the world use this calendar because most of them Christian calendar and it is universal in today's world. Second one is explain the meaning of AD. AD stands for means first of all full form and no domini. It means in the year of God. This way BC and AD are explained. Next question. Bosamia Rajvi.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Bosamia Rajvi. Read better.
Okay. Number 3. Which is oldest coin of India? Punchmark coins of 5th BC have been found in India. Which is the oldest coin? Number 4. Which are the sources of no history? Answer. Documents, paintings, ornaments, toys, coins, inscription,
Inscriptions.
Bhojpatras, inscriptions, Bhojpatras, metal plates, old buildings, temple, travelers, etc.
Travelodges.
are travelers, etc. are the sources to know the history.
Yes. Next two questions are on your screen. Third one is which is the oldest coin of India? Punchmark, as we know, it was found, and when our archaeologists research, it is of 5th BC. BC means before Christ. Means 2021 is now. 2021 years before 500 years. They were found in India and they are considered as the oldest coin. Next one is which are the source to know history? As we know,
Sir,
we study, we know many things about history. How can we know? For that, need some source that are documents, paintings, ornaments, tools, coins, inscriptions, Bhojpatras, metal plates, old buildings, temples, travelodges, etc. These all considered as the sources of history. From document, we can get information in written form. Painting, we can see painting on painting, cave painting, ornament, old ornaments, which digged out from the land under the crust of the earth. Similarly, toys and coins, they are also dig out. Inscription, stone inscription, as we have discussed about stone in Junagadh. Bhojpatras and Tadpatras, they were also leaves of tree and bark of tree, which used to write in ancient time. Metal plates, we can call copper plates. Old buildings constructed by different people. In old buildings, there might be fort, home, temples, etc. Then different travelers from abroad travels at different places and what they see, the condition of the people, the administration, etc. We can get from their books. Thus, Tadpatra, there is a tree named Birch. It is found in Himalayas and on its inner skin. Ancient people used it to write. Those inner skin are known as Tadpatras. And Bhojpatras, it is the leaves of the tree Bhoj. Very good. Now we are moving ahead. Next one is the following.
સર લખવાનું નથી ને
No, no, no. Correct answers are here. You can see. All are correct answer. Now, Sakaria Mahek.
Yes, sir.
Read beta correct answer.
Question number 3. Match the following. Correct answer. Number 1. Record desk text
Record.
engraved
Answer is text engraved
on stone or metal. Number 2.
second one.
Bhojpatras bark of a beech tree.
Birch tree.
Number
Tree,
3.
sorry.
Number 3.
Tamrapatras.
Tarpatras
Not tar,
Text.
Tamrapatra.
Tamrapatras text engraved on copper plate. Number 4. Before birth of Jesus, before birth of Christ. Number 5. AD, Anno Domini.
Yeah. First one, record. Record means text engraved on stone or metal. That are called records. Second, Bhojpatra. Bhojpatra is bark of a beech tree. Next one, Tamrapatra. Here, text engraved on copper plate. In ancient time, people used to write on copper plates. That is Tamrapatra. Next one is BC, before the birth of Christ. You can also say Jesus Christ. And A, Anno Domini, means in the year of. Now, we are moving towards next question. Choose the correct answer. Again, choose the correct answer. For question, you can see your textbook last page. Last few page is given for extra questions. 117. You can see this exercise on your textbook page number 117. 117. Options you can see in book. I did not present. Here directly I will present the answer. Is there anyone who can read without I present answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, read.
Sir, can I?
No. First one who said.
Sir, what page number?
117.
Okay, sir.
In science textbook.
Where are copper plates are found in Gujarat? Second, how many years would have
Answer. Four options are in your book. You can see which one is correct. Options are.
Okay, sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute.
No, beta, you should not take much time.
Sir, I know
Is
the
there anyone who
answer. Can I?
Okay, read.
Okay, sir. I read. Where are copper plates not found in Gujarat? Answer.
Keep here, not is discouraged. So you need to give the answer as not found, not found.
Okay, sir.
Which one?
Sir, 3 Hemachand.
Sir, B.
Are you asking or answering? Answer is on your screen. Gujarat Vidyapeeth
Sir,
Library and
Gujarat Vidyapeeth Library, Ahmedabad. Second, how many years would have been there of birth of Jesus Christ in 2019 BC?
yes.
But
B.
sir, And is in
Okay,
Gujarat.
right now, this answer can be wrong.
2000.
First,
2000.
it is when book publish. When book publish, here years are written according to book. And according to book, there is 2000.
Okay,
Otherwise,
sir. Which of the
there may be
following travelers didn't come to India?
here four names are there. One of them did not come.
Oh, D. D. Columbus.
Columbus did not come. Very good. This way, your textual exercise is over. Good luck. I will send and share this exercise to you so that you can copy.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now we are moving ahead. Unit number 9. It is longer.
Sir, now we have to do a textbook or map book.
Textbook first. But
Okay.
if we did not understand from textbook, then how can we answer in map book?
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I read?
Okay, from textbook. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir, I have textbook.
Okay, then Usdariya Nandini. Read. I will also present.
Chapter
Today
9.
we will
The Earth, our habitat. Wherever we live, that place is our village and home. All this is one on top of what? Such question arises in all of our minds. Answer is very simple. That my home and my village isn't on earth. Thus, earth is called our huge home, which is very huge, is not it. So let's know about our huge village. You also want to know this, which is natural. You know that our Earth is a member of solar family. Again, what is the solar family? Let me give you information regarding solar system. Solar system. Our sun is the self-illuminated star of Mandakini galaxy, Milky Way. It is surrounded by many small and big stars. Earth is one such ball. All these are recognized as planets due to gravitational force of sun and gravitational force of the planet. All these planets rotate around the sun in a circular form. These planets do not have light of their own. They are illuminated by the light of the sun. These planets of solar system are of different sizes and forms. All these planets together make solar family or solar system. Thus planets, satellites, small planets, comets and meteors are included in our solar system. So let's get acquainted with the solar system. At first, let's know the sun as the key member of the solar system.
very
Sun.
good. Stop. Stop. Stop.
I
Now,
read.
please,
Okay, sir.
who
Thank
will
you.
read?
Sir, can I read?
No, can I? You can write in comments only. Okay. Everyone has textbook, so I don't present. Jagad Astha.
I have no
Sir,
book.
I don't have textbook.
Yes, sir. I also don't have book.
Sir, I also don't.
Sir,
Okay,
can I
Jagad.
show?
I also don't have.
Okay, then I present.
I also don't have.
I also
No
don't
problem.
have.
Sir, I am showing.
Don't say me. If one say, I can listen. Don't repeat the same thing.
Sir, I am showing.
No problem here.
Sir.
Just 2 minutes.
The
Planets,
Okay,
eclipse.
about sun. Start reading Jagat Asta.
Okay, we
We
are
are
familiar.
familiar with the sun. Our daily work begins with the sunrise. Sun is the honored
Yes,
star.
teacher, my
It is
turn.
considered as the giver
Who is
of life
reading?
on earth.
Who is reading? I told Jagat Asta. Where are you reading? Yes, Jagat.
We are familiar with the sun. Our daily work begins with the sunrise. Sun is the honored star. It is considered as the giver of life on Earth. The Sun is about 13 million times larger than Earth. If you want to make a revolution
Revolution.
around Sun, you sit on in a plane running at a velocity
City.
of velocity of 1,000 kilometers in will take 107 years to complete the revolution. Gravitational force of Sun is 28 times more than Earth.
Very good.
Sir, now
Now,
can I read? I write so many times of in chat box.
okay, read.
Okay, sir. Hence
Read.
the weight of yes, sir.
Read from screen only, whatever is on the screen.
Okay, sir. I read from screen only. Hence the weight of a substation on Earth weighs 1 kg on Earth. It could weigh 28 kg on the surface of Sun. It is because of this gravitational force only that the planets are in their particular path and revolve on it. The Earth is about 15 kms away from Sun. It takes about quarter past 8 minutes from for sunlight to reach the surface of Earth.
Very good. Now, write only in comments. Don't switch on mic and ask me. Antala Dhyana.
Okay, sir. Just 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, it is already on the screen.
The surface Sun is always unstable. It includes several kilometers long incandescent fire floods. The Sun's core is made up by hydrogen gas. Is produce light and heat from the action of hydrogen and what is this, sir?
Helium.
Helium.
Helium in air with which we call an energy. So the surface of sun is very hot. It is because of sun's energy that organisms have developed on Earth. Thus, the sun is always known as the god of
Garden.
or-
Organism.
organism.
Very good. Now it is time to attendance. Antala Dhyana.
Yes, sir.
Asrajit. Asra Ria.
Yes, sir.
Bamrolia Ayush.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Palani Yug.
Yes, sir.
Bharat Rahir. Bharatira Het.
Yes, sir.
Then Bharatira Hetvi.
Yes, sir.
Rohan,
Present, sir.
Bhimjiani Jenil,
Yes, sir.
Pungal Minaben, sorry, Minajben Hussein,
Sir, my is not coming.
Pungal Minajben, Bhimjiani Jenil has come. Who is remain?
I.
What is your name?
Parthera here.
વર્તેરા હિર બેટા પૂરાઈ ગઈ છે હાજરી.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
ભોવર અરમાન,
Yes, sir.
બોસમિયા રાજવી,
Yes, sir.
ચૌહાણ વિશ્વા,
Yes, sir.
રાવલા શિવા.
Attendance લેવાય છે left થાય.
હા, એટેન્ડન્સ લેવાઈ જાય લેફ્ટ થાય. ચાવડા વિશ્વા, ચાવડા શિવાંગ,
Yes, sir.
ચાવડા વંશ,
Yes, sir.
દાવડા પાર્થ,
Yes, sir.
ઢોલરિયા મન,
Yes, sir.
દુધરેજિયા મૌલિક,
Yes, sir.
ગેરિયા હિના,
Yes, sir. Gondolia Bandia Nina.
હિના, નાવ ગોંડલિયા બનશે.
Present, teacher.
ગોસાઈ ધરમગીરી,
Yes, sir.
હિમાની નોરીન. એનું નામ તો નથી આમાં.
Yes, sir.
ઓકે લખી લો હો બેટા. હિમાની નોરીન. હિંગુ અક્ષત,
Yes, sir.
જગડ આસ્થા,
Yes, sir.
કલાણી રિયા,
Yes, sir. Yes,
કનૈયા
sir.
કૃષ્ણા, કનૈયા કૃષ્ણા, પાપડિયા દક્ષ,
Yes, sir.
કર્માકર રિષિતા,
Yes, sir.
આચાર્ય જેનિલ,
Yes, sir.
મચ્છર યશવી,
Yes, sir.
મનિયાર જયકિશન,
Yes, sir.
માવાણી આર્યન,
Yes, sir.
સોરી અર્ચન છે.
Arjan.
યા મુક્તિ એમ તૌસિફ,
Yes, sir. Mukaddam Tohid.
પટેલ અનુપ્રિયા,
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
પટેલ મોહમ્મદ, પીપલિયા હેતવી,
Yes, sir.
પીપલિયા હેતવી
Yes, sir.
આવી ગયું. પ્યારાની નિશિતા,
Yes, sir.
રાદડિયા મન,
Yes, sir.
રામચંદાની સુરજ કુમાર,
Yes.
સાકરિયા મહેક,
Yes, sir.
સકરેલિયા રુદ્ર,
Yes, sir.
સરેરિયા દિસ્તા,
Yes, sir.
સાવલિયા દેવ,
Yes, sir.
ત્રિવેદી ધૈર્ય, ત્રિવેદી ધૈર્ય, I don't have name. Okay, I'm writing.
Okay, sir.
ત્રિવેદી ધૈર્ય.
Present, sir.
પ્રિયા નંદિની.
Present, sir.
વઘસિયા રાજવી.
Present, sir.
વૈષ્ણવ અલીસા.
Present, sir.
વૈષ્ણવ હીર.
Present, sir.
Now anyone remain? Yes, anyone remain? Okay, you may leave the class.
No. Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay, ask. Jai Kishan.
Sir, map book and geographic book both are same?
Yeah, same, but you need to purchase same book for everyone. So that
We have to buy both book.
no, map book only. Gala or no need.
Map book only.
Gala or no
Okay.
need, map book.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you may leave. If you have question, you can ask or you may leave.